All right, guys, repairs are happening. So far, since I've uncovered the car, I've changed the battery. I am currently draining fuel from the rail. And then we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna top her off with 93 and see if she decides she wants to start. Look at the carbon in the light. And as soon as I drain this fuel, I'm gonna detail this thing. Look at this. Just for reference, I'm gonna be opening up the key. We're gonna see how much I drain every time that the pump primes. So hopefully we don't have to jump it. We don't have to jump the fuel pump. But let's see how many pumps. Right now we're empty. Again, I'm just priming the fuel pump. Jade is over there, making sure the tank doesn't overflow. And we have fuel coming through. All right, I just put 2 ounces of this fuel treatment in. It's supposed to help with the water and condensation in the tank. And now I am getting ready to add 10 gallons of fuel to the car. 10 gallons going in. After this, all we gotta do is an oil change and we'll be ready to fire it up. I am adding the last 5 gallons of fuel, then we'll be good on the fuel. Should be good to start up with the exception of the oil. Now, if you don't know, the oil drain is in the front of the car. And I'm on an angle, so I'm gonna have to lift it up substantially in the back to get it all to drain out. Got my jack stands. Any old jack stand will do. So it's nice when you have a low profile jack. The tires are so stuck to the ground. Now that we got the car off the ground, we removed the 15mm bolt. It's on the front of the car, front of the oil pan. We're gonna drain it some, then we're gonna go ahead and lower the vehicle again in the front, raise the rear, just to make sure we get all of the oil out. If you're questioning if it's on an incline, I got it jacked up and the last little bit is dripping out now. We'll be ready to lower the car again, jack up the front one more time, and get that drain plug in. The bolt in the front of the oil pan is back in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just drop the oil filter, swap the new one in, drop the car, and fill her up. All right, guys, it's hot out here, so I forgot to record, but I just filled up 6.5 quarts of Mobil 1 5W30. We're gonna go ahead and just check our level real quick, see where we're at with the oil, and hopefully get it started in the next 5 minutes. Camera doesn't want to focus, but I have a feeling we're gonna be right on the money. All right, we're just gonna cycle the engine right now. Get oil in the cylinders. I'm gonna do it about 4 or 5 more times, and then we'll go ahead and start it. All right, I think we're ready to crank it up, so that's what we're gonna do. Here we go, first start in a year and a half, first start. All right, there you go, you got your first start, cold start. First start, cold start, here we go. Yeah, buddy.